The 2013 Volkswagen Golf VII GTI Dark Edition by ABT Sportsline. The 2013 Essen Motor Show is just around the corner, and it looks like ABT Sportsline is ready to impress the world with all its upgrades specially developed for the German tuning show. One of the packages it developed for Essen is based on the 7th generation Golf GTI and tries to discover the dark side of the car. In order to do so, the 2.0-liter engine was updated with an ABT Power kit that increases the final output to a total of 300 horsepower, up from the standard 220 horsepower. As a result, the GTI now goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.8 seconds and up to a top speed of 160 miles per hour. The car rides on new 20-inch alloy wheels combined with new sports stabilizers and an ABT height-adjustable suspension kit. Click past the jump to read more about the Volkswagen Golf VII GTI Dark Edition by ABT Sportsline. Volkswagen Golf VII GTI Dark Edition by ABT Sportsline in detail. The new GTI Dark Edition features a cool black exterior paint combined with a red stripes package. There is also a new aerodynamic kit that includes a new front spoiler, a new grille and headlight covers. On the side it continues with new side skirts and ABT mirror caps, while for the rear the car was updated with skirt insert, a trunk lid attachment and darker taillights. At the rear there is also a 4-pipe chromed black exhaust system.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.